Hey you guys, what is up? This is Laura Kashera, and I just wanted to make a super quick video for you to explain how to put in your macronutrient goals into MyFitnessPal app. It's something I did right at the beginning of my keto journey to kind of get an idea of what I should be eating, how much of it I should be eating, how much more fat I needed for the day. And I've seen lately so many questions of people that just have no idea where to even start with that. So I thought I would make this super simple video that would show you step by step how to get started if MyFitnessPal is the app that you decide to choose to use. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so first what we are going to do is tap on the MyFitnessPal app, open that up and set up your free account. It's going to bring you to this main home page where you can see your calories at the top and their news feed for the app. We are going to worry about the bottom right corner where it says more. Tap on that. That's going to bring you to this page. A lot of different categories to check out. Tap goals. Goals is going to open up this menu with all of your weight goals. We are going to focus on nutrition goals, tap calorie and macronutrient goals. That's going to open this window. Here you will see the MyFitnessPal presets with much different percentages than you see on mine. This is where you can tap on each category, including the calories, and change the number or the percentages that you need, as you can see here. Once you're done with that, you can edit your calorie goal if you want. I don't really focus on the calories. Tap the top left arrow to go back. We're going to tap the top left arrow again to go back. And then we're going to focus down here on the bottom menu bar. Tap the big blue button. And a bunch of options will pop up. I record my weight by pushing the purple weight button. Right now we're going to focus on food though. So let's tap the food button right in the middle of the red one, red-orange one. You can also track your water, exercise. So let's select a meal. We're going to do breakfast. Just for example purposes, you can see your recent foods once you've used them for a while. I haven't tracked for a while, so some of these are not keto foods from a while ago. You'll also have frequent foods that you use a lot, your foods, if you create your own, meals that you use a lot, and then recipes is where you can add your own recipe from scratch, or you can go on Pinterest and paste a link in here, and it will put all of the ingredients in for you automatically. Then you can save them and quickly find them. It's really helpful and super helpful to find out macros on a specific recipe. So we're going to go up to the search bar and type in an egg for breakfast. I'm going to use the Costco egg, and I typically pick items that have a green check mark next to them because they're verified. As soon as you pull up the item, I love that it shows you the macro wheel with how many carbs, fat, and protein percentages are in that specific item. Really helpful if you're out to eat somewhere or on the go, so you can find out if what you're going to pick is a good decision or a bad decision. And then I just look at the serving size and number of servings. You can tap on that to change how many servings. So we're going to scroll down here. So now we are going to change our servings to 3 eggs for the day. And then save. And then you just go in and add more items that way, same way, search for another food. Also off to the right, next to the search bar is a barcode. If you tap on that, it will actually open up your camera to scan a barcode on the back of your item. So if you have a specific type of milk or cheese or whatever, you can just scan it and hopefully it will come up for you instead of having to enter a bunch of info in. Now we're just going to add a couple of lunch items real quick here, just to give you another example. Some cheddar cheese, so you can get the idea. And how about some hard-boiled eggs, because everyone doing keto typically likes eggs, so we'll keep things simple. Change the servings again here and add it in. Now we're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to tap on the black button that says nutrition. This is going to take you into your pie chart where you can check back often to see how your macro goals are doing. It may have taken you into the calories or the nutrients section at the top of the screen. Simply just switch over to macros. If you love numbers, go to nutrients for sure and check out your grams. Otherwise, macros is where I check to make sure that I plan my dinner accordingly to fit the rest of the percentages I have left for the day. I highly recommend doing this the night before or the morning of so that you make sure that you get all of your macros lined up correctly for the day and you can plan and tweak things accordingly before the food is staring you in the face. And that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and please feel free to share this in any groups you're in or on your Facebook or wherever with anybody who really needs to see this in their life and who needs things a little bit more simplified. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this. Again, my name is Laura Kashera, and I appreciate you.